to model or to continue modeling this predator. So let's move on to show you how to model this thing. I'm gonna be connecting some vertices. Hold on. Shift G to join. Let's move those vertices. Hit G twice to move it. Then I'm gonna be connecting these two vertices. Hit G to join them. Let's see how to get rid of this angle over there. Just select that vertices, hit G twice to slide it down. Let's apply subdivision surface modifier to see what will happen. Then Ctrl R, I'm gonna be adding another lookout. Let's see what we have over there, but still some problems with that topology. Select those two vertices, hit G to join them. Then in order to get rid of that, I'm gonna be sliding that vertex over there. In this case, I'm gonna be using the knife tool to cut through that section or that corner over there. Let's see what we have here, and it's pretty good. Let's move those vertices just a tiny bit. Move those vertices, select them. Grab that vertex. And it's so good. Hold on, shift select those two vertices, hit G twice to slide them to the bottom like this, and it's good. I need to add another two vertices over here. Ctrl R. I'm gonna be using just a knife tool, cutting through that section. In this case, it's angle Ctrl Z to undo. Hit G twice to slide it just a tiny bit over there. I'm gonna be sliding that vertex. Grab that vertex to the center. So let's see what we have over there. It's good. This edge flow, I think it's not bad. Toggle to X-ray mode. Grab those vertices. Over there, grab that vertex. Ctrl or let's add two lookouts. Just like this. Let's move those vertices as shown in our tutorial, then like this. Move that vertex. Let's save. Let's continue with modeling of those parts, and that's pretty fun. So let's join those vertices to create quad based mesh. Hit G to join them, then go over and select these two vertices, hit join to join them. and do it for all those vertices as shown in our tutorial, all the way to the bottom of this mesh. In the case where we are, when we try to apply the subdivision surface modifier, it's gonna be pushing up all those parts because we haven't created supporting edge loops yet. Then I'm gonna be using the knife tool to cut through this section. Just I'm gonna be adding some supporting tries at the corners. Select those vertices, edge twice, slide them a little bit to the bottom, and we can maintain the shape of that thing over there. Let's see what we have over there. Just I'm gonna be moving those vertices to match the shape. Let's see what we have. When we apply the subdivision surface modifier, you can see this weird shape because of some problems with the corners. We haven't created supporting loop cuts yet. 8K to let's add some supporting tries at the corners just like this. As you can see, it's amazing. When you apply subdivision surface modifier, you can see that shape. Just we need to continue with creating topology for this section over here. Let's do some topology study. Click on that annotate tool. Just I'm gonna be making some edges just like this. Then I'm gonna be covering that area with quads. Should create it quads using this method in order to avoid bad topology, and should create minimum number of quads. Then I'm gonna be adding more quads in order to create better topology. See you in the next part to continue modeling of this Predator logo. Thanks for watching.